Here's how to do friction in physics. The next step you want to do is calculate the maximum static friction, or Fs max. We can determine Fs max by multiplying the coefficient of static friction, μs, by the normal force, Fn, which gives us 59 newtons. Since the 40 newtons being pushed on the block is less than the maximum static friction of 59, this means that the block stays stuck, and so the acceleration is 0. Now, when calculating the force of friction, it's a common mistake for students to say that it must be 59 newtons, since this is Fs max. This is wrong, because if we added up the forces in the x direction, we would then have a net force of negative 19 newtons, which by F equals ma would mean that our block is accelerating to the left, and not stuck. It turns out that static friction is a smart force, which means it only applies as much as it needs, in whatever direction it needs, to keep the object still. In this case, static friction only needs to act with 40 newtons to the left to balance out the pushing force of 40 newtons to the right and keep the block still. So the force of friction is 40 newtons.